Hi, welcome to Infrared Learning, your quickest way to learn thermography. For this video, we will show you the basic camera operation of the FLIR T series. It is important to know that the application for this whole series is the same. However, there are some differences in their specification, so make sure you watch until the end. It is recommended to register your thermal camera as soon as possible. Registration will extend the warranty of the thermal imager and allows you to submit a service request online. It will also give the unlock code of the camera. Register your camera at FLIR Support Center. To access the page, go to support.flir.com. You may click Login or Sign In if you already have an existing account, or click the Sign Up to create a new one. Select the product registration, then type the serial number, which can be found on the calibration certificate or in the battery compartment located at the bottom of the camera, then click Validate. The Support Center is where you can also download the FLIR Tools software such as FLIR Tools and FLIR Tools Plus, which is used for analyzing images, videos, and creating an inspection report. FLIR T series may look similar, but there are some differences in technical specifications for each. This can also be found at support.flir.com. Once you are on the site, go to Help and Support. On the drop-down, select Downloads, then click on the datasheets to display all FLIR thermography products, then select the model you prefer. Once you click, it will show various camera configurations. Click the one for your imager and click on the corresponding datasheets available for the full camera specifications. On the case, you will also find the camera documentation such as camera calibration certificate, camera manual, and a license card for your FLIR Tools Plus software. The FLIR T series have interchangeable lenses. The AutoCal lens feature allows the user to change the lens without sending the camera for recalibration. With a large 4-inch scratch-resistance touchscreen LCD and ergonomic design with 180-degree rotating optical block for simple and comfortable imaging of targets at any angle. Charge the battery for 3 hours before the first use. The lights on the battery will blink while they're charging and turn solid once fully charged and ready for use. For data storage, insert your SD card. The slot for the SD card is located under this rubber cover at the bottom of the camera. Important note that this series don't have an internal memory, so it is important to install your SD card right away. You can also see a USB-C port that is used for powering the camera, connecting the camera to the PC for downloading images, and streaming video to our PC software such as FLIR Tools and FLIR Tools Plus. Once the battery is fully charged, install one and power up the camera, and remove the lens cap. On the upper right corner of the camera, you will see the P button or the programmable button, which is used for easy access to your color palettes or settings. You'll also have the play button or archive button for viewing your saved thermal and visual images and videos. Pressing the center push button will bring up the main menu, which you can navigate with the pad, pressing left and right. To the right of the navigation pad is the back button that can be used to go back out of a selection in the menu or go back to live image. The camera is also touchscreen driven. This makes it easy to navigate the menu system and adjust the various settings. But if you are wearing a glove, you may use the navigation pad. Having a correct date and time entered in your camera is important in proper documentation and record keeping. These values are tied to each data file when you are saving an image and cannot be changed after saving. To set the language, date, and time, navigate the Settings menu, then click Settings, go to Device Settings, then select Language, Time, and Units. Adjust the temperature units into Celsius or Fahrenheit and distance unit into meter or feet. You can also zoom in and out your screen by spreading your fingers. Slide the screen down for easy access of the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, screen rotation, brightness, and battery percentage information, as well as your SD card storage information. You can turn the lamp on or off by tapping the lamp icon at the bottom of your screen. The lamps will come in handy in getting better images of an area or object being inspected in dark places. Press the laser button in front of your camera to switch on or off. The laser will guide the user on their point of interest without getting closer to the subject. Switch to autofocus or continuous autofocus by tapping the AFC button beside the lamp button on the screen. To hide the graphics on your screen, just click the overlay button. You can also create a new folder by choosing the Create a New Folder at the bottom of your screen. Or you can go to your archive by pressing the playback button, then select the plus sign on the upper right corner of the screen to create a new folder. You can also delete the folder by simply clicking the menu button beside the plus sign, then choose the trash icon, then click OK. For recording mode, we have the single shot, video, time-lapse, and screening. The range covers an interval of temperatures that the detector can accurately measure without going into saturation. You may choose a suitable range for your target and environment and then work within that range to get the best thermal contrast. To set the temperature range, navigate the settings, then select the camera temperature range. From here, you can pick the most appropriate range for your application and press the center push button to select the range. The T530 comes standard with 2 temperature ranges, while the T540 has 3, giving you detection capabilities up to 1,500 Celsius or 2,700 Fahrenheit.